Introducing the new Volkswagen Golf R MK8.5, a sneak peek before the big reveal. Following the unveiling of the facelifted Golf and GTI variants this week, Volkswagen is now offering a glimpse of the highly anticipated Golf R. Recently showcased at the ice race in Zell, Austria, the camouflaged Golf R, featuring all-wheel drive and that unmistakable or flair, stole the show. As the Golf celebrates its 50th birthday this year, this flagship model is gearing up for a world premiere in mid-2024. Details about the Golf R remain a well-kept secret, but if last year's R333 version with 333 horsepower is any indication, we're in for a treat. Stay tuned for the official launch, where Volkswagen promises to redefine excellence with the new Golf R.